All right. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Yeah, today being 17th of August 2025. I'm calling Verydarkman out as well because every one of us here in Nigeria have seen how Verydarkman has been calling a lot of people out, and it seems like he is the most holiest person we have in Nigeria today. And I must tell you that the complaint against Verydarkman has been coming to my table, to my inbox, on my WhatsApp. A lot of people have been calling me about Verydarkman complaining. And I want to call Verydarkman out as well, so that the whole Nigeria will hear my voice and also hear the voice of Nigeria who has been contacting me because of that Verydarkblackman. So, all right. A lot of Nigerians have called me, telling me the situation of Nigeria and what the Nigerians are passing through, that the remedy has come. And the problem with a black man, this, is that black man failed to understand that the highest prayer you can only pray on this earth to make things work is planning and solution, using opportunity very well. Now, so many Nigerians are calling me that this is the time for that Verydarkman to come out and join politics. That he cannot do this thing alone. That the hour has come for that Verydarkman to come out in this 2027 to pick up a ticket for president of Nigeria or Senate. Understand? So, and why so many people have been calling me about it, I begin to think about it. I say yes. Because the only solution to solve problem on this earth is what? Planning and solution. Now, what am I saying? That Verydarkman, what people are saying, calling me about, is truth. You need to come out if you really have Nigerians in your heart. We are calling you out right now. Because what you're supposed to do in Nigeria to save Nigerians, if you didn't do it, and Nigerians are dying because of it, my brother, you need to understand that you are involved. The hour has come. This 2027 presidential election, you need to come out, pick up a ticket. Let's make the move. A lot of youth, younger ones, will join in that party. Let's contest. Even if we did not win in this 2027, in 2031, we'll drag it again. There is nothing you can do to change this country with this old cabals ruling us. And have it in mind that Nigerians are one of the most smartest human beings on this planet Earth. I'm not saying this because I came from Nigeria. Nigerians are one of the most smartest human beings in terms of sense, brain. And have it in mind that these old people ruling us, that they're the one that gave birth to us. The only way we can defeat these people is being smarter than them. And as a youth, the energy, the thinking faculties should be more faster than them as an elderly people. If we can come together right now, push an action, bring an idea of that Verydarkman coming out to contest for president of Nigeria in 2027. Bringing us some youth, join the party to contest for Senate. Bringing some of us, the youth, to come out and contest for governor, contest for House of Representatives, local government chairman, House of Assembly. My brother, if we did not join government, we cannot change this country. I know how much I'm spending every month, millions, paying doctors and nurses in the free hospital I build for the less privileged. This is not something we can do individually. It needs collective effort and government capacity. That Verydarkman, if you really have Nigerians in heart, come out. Come out. Stop, after listening to this video, don't come out and say that you are not interested in politics. Nobody is a politician. That's oil. Every one of us has right over it. That's our resources. And I'm telling you that all these people that have ruled Nigeria before cannot change us. If you have ruled your state for 8 years and your state does not have steady light, what do you think you can do if you become the president? I'm asking. If you have ruled the state in Nigeria and your people are still carrying gallon of water on their head because there is no running water, what do you think you can do for 8 years to be a president of Nigeria? So those people that have been in that system, we don't need them anymore. We need a young party, which we, the young youth, will be the one that owns it, create it, then make the move. Have it in mind that anybody who is joining us must be our fellow youth in terms of leadership. People that has masses in their hearts. Our governments are packing our money, sending to Europe, to America. You cannot see any white man pushing his own money back to Nigeria to save it in any bank in Nigeria. So that's very dark, man. I'm calling you out. I will make out my time to come to Abuja, meet you in person. We can discuss this face to face. Never you say you fail until you try. Let's have this as a movement. We can be touring, start now touring from one state to another. Creating the awareness. Believe you me, in 2027, nobody born by a woman that will not vote for you to be the president of this country. How old are you? How old is Abraham Traore? Abraham Traore took it upon himself. He took the highest risk on this planet Earth. Because what he did is even illegal. If you compare it with what I'm saying now. Because if we eventually fail in that queue, automatically he will be true of us. But he did it and succeed. But what you are doing now is proper, legal something that is a peaceful movement. Because it's your right to come out and contest for the good of your country. So if Ibrahim Traore can take this bold step, take the risk, risking his life and conquer, Verydarkman, please come out. We are calling you because you are the Nigeria we are seeing right now. Very soon now, after, I'm telling you, there is no more time by your side. If you clock 60 years now, you become weak. Yes. Let's assume the next president now that will emerge, rule us for 8 years. Another president emerge again, rule for another 8 years. That is 16 years or 20 years in your life, don't go. True or false? That is true. Once you clock 60 now, my brother, you are down. That energy now, we need that energy now to make this country succeed. Let me tell you, even if we did not win the presidential seat, we must win governor in one of the states. We must win as a local government chairman in one of the states. We must win as House of Rep, as a Senate in one of the states. I'm telling you, once you are the one heading this movement, now we start taking over. Gradual process. If we did not win president in this 2027, 2031, we can grab it. So please, this is the opportunity. So many people have been calling me about this complaint. I said, let me call you out. And my brother, you are not the only one who knows how to write petition. And because if I will make this demand and you refuse, we can even petition you. Then you come and explain to Nigeria police the reason why you cannot come out to save Nigeria youth from this mess. I'm not joking. I'm serious. So you come and explain. Look at Nigeria youth. More than 9,000 in prison in Dubai. Over 15,000 in prison in Malaysia. CNN announced that over 6,000 black rays have died in the Mediterranean Sea, excluding those who are dying in desert. Look at our children today in America that cannot come back to Africa, to Nigeria. Thousands of them. Many of our boys are in the streets in Cambodia, Vietnam, frustrated everywhere in the world. Even in Egypt, to hear our people are in prison. Morocco, Senegal, everywhere, Nigerians are suffering. But we have what it takes to feed the whole world. But few people hold it, trap it down. So if we did not use this your youthful energy to push these people away, out of our way, and make this country a working nation, when do you think, Verydarkman? The only solution to survive on this earth is planning. Having a drawing board. Having a plan. Bringing solution to your problem. Okay? So please, that very dark man, I'm pleading, we do respect. This is our time. This is your time. This is the time of Nigeria youth to breathe again. Come out. Join politics. You cannot do this thing alone. We need you right now. One day, try what I'm saying. You see what will happen in 2027. You see youth in action. That seat belongs to me and you. These people has been there for years, doing nothing. In 21st century, Nigeria cannot boast of electricity. And you know that electricity can give more than 100 million Nigerians job. Only electricity, more than 100 million Nigerians. Steady stand job opportunity. At 21st century, we are still importing clothes, television, cars from the Westerners. Does it mean that we cannot produce all those things? We cannot set up a factory that can produce all those things. Let me tell you, if you make this country a workable country, millions of the foreigners will bring their investment here. Their factory. Go and read the history of Dubai. Over 50% of the industries in Dubai is owned by the Westerners. Because Dubai start building their place to call it a home. So that very dark man, please let this sweat and sweat not be in vain. I want you to come out as a presidential candidate in a very young party that every one of us, the youth, have to join. Especially we that has our people in mind. My dream is, how on earth can we build our land so that somebody from England can come here and be doing the same job we are doing in their land? That is all my dream. How can we be better than Europe? How can we be greater than America, Canada, Japan, South Korea? Man made all these things available. Go and read the history of Tokyo, of Japan. Every one of us has seen the action that Putin are putting today to protect his country. Man does all these things. That very dark man, please. We need this your energy. We need this your grace. We need this your we need this love that Nigeria youth have over you. Let us use it and fight and know whether we can get freedom from the hands of the cabals who are ruining us. And victory is assured if you come out to contest as the president of this nation. I remain Mr. Ezeakuu, for leader of Women and Abuse Ezeakuu worldwide, and as well the CEO of Akubeze Housing Estate Limited. Thank you very much. I love you.